can't escape it. I've been too afraid of love, but oh, I think it's about to change. I'm not too good at feelings, but I'm feeling you. Not easy being honest, but I'll tell the truth. I really wanna vibe with you. Tell me what I gotta do.
Oh girl, you golden. I like emotion.
I am all ready for my wedding. Yes, that's right. I'm going for my wedding right now. Little bit of butterflies, little bit of excitement, and I hope I'm looking fine because I'm so nervous. I don't know why. I just have to say 3 words.
She was raised along the salty sea, nursed on hope and fairy tales. I was just as lonesome as could be. My notebooks and
यहाँ पे दुल्हन, यहाँ पे दुल्हा, ऐसा बैठना. So लड़का कहाँ बैठेगा? Just like that, open. ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था, ऐसा होना चाहिए था. एक साइड पे यहाँ पे राइट साइड में लड़का, लेफ्ट साइड में लड़की, वैसा.
one else. Then one day she caught my eye.
क्या आपने इस निकाह को कबूल किया बीबी?
कबूल है.
क्या आपने इस निकाह को कबूल किया? जवाब दीजिए. कबूल है.
Mrs. Khan.
Knowing what I know now, I would do it all again in a heartbeat. Take those fragile years, all your worry and tears, and put them on me. Oh, I must admit, when I think of how far we've come, it was worth the risk, 'cause it dug us a deeper love. Never in a million years did I think I'd get so lucky. Never in a million years did I think you'd be mine. And now I can't imagine a life without you. And every song that I write's about you. Just thought you should know I'll never let you go. Never in a million years.
Sir, we'll do the talking part once we're there. He just sent saying that you guys are taking a picture of his sherwani and you did not take a picture of my dress. अलग ही level का हो रहा है ये तो.
Almost like I brought a bow and arrow to a gunfight. I'm out of my league, I didn't know what this would feel like. I can't help but feeling let down, deep in despair. Like I'm praying to a God that's not even there. Now I'm on my knees one more time. I need you to take my pain and make it something beautiful. Take my sorrow, show me it's not mine to hold. If you're here with me in the waiting, even when my heart is breaking, take.
How can they show?
It's embargo.
Of course. बताइए क्या बात करने वाले हैं? So what is the thing you don't like about me? And you have to keep it precise. You can't keep making a list in a big paragraph and telling it out on camera.
Are you not being friend-minded?
And what is the thing you like about me?
Passion for life.
That's the exact same words I used earlier, that she's full of life. So that is the thing I like about you. And what I don't like about you, well, you already know.
Oh my god. Shit. We're so on the same page.
What is the kind of food you like the most?
Spicy, I've told that also. No, this is all said.
And I hate spicy
Said
food.
and
I
done,
absolutely
said and
hate
done,
spicy
said and
food.
done. Yeah, this is said and done.
So how do you manage to resolve this conflict?
We already said that you're gonna have curd with everything.
You can't have curd with everything.
Yes, you can have
You
curd with
definitely
everything.
cannot have curd with everything.
Yes, you can. Name something you can't have it with.
Vada pav.
Who would have vada pav in the first place? We're not having vada
She
pav.
hates vada pav. Who hates vada pav?
Me?
Everyone likes vada pav.
Oh, okay, biryani versus vada pav. Hang goes for what? Biryani. See?
One
See?
second. You can't compare that. Vada
Obviously
pav is
you
a
can.
snack. Biryani is not a snack, it's a meal.
Mumbai food versus Hyderabad food.
Obviously, all of them
Yeah.
are from Hyderabad. They will say Hyderabad.
No.
only. We
Are
will
you
see.
guys
We
from
will. We will see at the Walima what people say. Mumbai is famous for a lot of things. Vada pav, biryani. Why are we having this argument on a wedding night?
Because you started.
See, that's the thing. Who wins an argument, which I was asked earlier, I've said her, definitely her, and you can see that.
It's just because you give up.
No, it's not about giving up. It's about being the bigger man.
I know. Matured. That's what I said. I like about you.
But as a child, you always wanted to get married in Mumbai, and now you're like.
I never wanted to
now
get
you lie in
married
front of
in
camera.
Mumbai.
Now you lie in front
No,
of camera.
I don't like Mumbai. It's so humid.
What is the thing you're looking forward to the most?
That I can get to travel with you along the way.
That's a misconception. We can't travel everywhere.
You said that we were going to go to 200 countries, didn't you?
That was before we were married. Now we are married.
That was the exact reason I got married to you.
Oops. Continuously swears in front of my parents.
Oh no! I didn't do that.
I mean, she
I did that
will,
in
because
front
this
of-
video will go in the future, so I know this is going to happen.
No, I did that in front of the kids, not in front of parents.
That's even worse.
What's the most impulsive thing you have ever done?
Get married. I think this is the most impulsive thing. Who gets married? Who's the most talkative between us? Who eats the most food between us? Who sleeps the most between us?
Why is it me all the time?
Exactly. So he's my nephew, and he's the Chota Dula today.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Girlfriend? No. There's still time.
If Faisal and Nurain get along with each other, they do share a lot of common interests. Ever since I've seen them together, they have that, that sort of chemistry. So I'm actually looking forward to Nurain cooking a lot of Hyderabadi food for us at home, because we all are foodies. And even if I didn't tell her this, after she watches this video, she'll know that we're looking forward to halim, biryani, mirchi ka salan, and a lot of other things which we already had. Oh, I can eat any food, don't worry about that. And I'm a doctor, so I have medicines for everything, so don't worry. Tips for Faisal would be like, he's seen me for the last 10 years and he knows that he has to just follow the best example set already. So
They look very good together. You might win the battle but lose the war. So I think sometimes you need to keep quiet to let go of the battle. You will win the war eventually.
The video which you're taking, it will be cut, मतलब edit होगा या एक ही flow में?
Edit होगा.
I'll just think. Welcome to the Khan family. I'll just give you a little tip for the Khans. We are big time foodies just like you are. कुछ भी हो, खाना का topic बीच में लेके आ जाओ and everything will be sorted.
excited for the reception?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at you with 1 billion layers of makeup. How heavy is this dupatta? Mine is very light. It's made of carbon fiber. What about yours? 15 kgs. And my sister and I could not recognize only because she applied 5 billion layers of compact and foundation. What's up, Yasmin?
Hi, I'm enjoying this.
Enjoying what?
100 layers of makeup.
So did you ever think that a wedding would be so tiring? मतलब सबकी वेडिंग में पहुंच तो जाते हैं आप खाना खाने, कभी आपको पता चला कि कितना पेन होता है इन हेवी ड्रेसेस में? मेरी ड्रेस
शादी एक ही बार करते हैं लाइफ में.
तो शाहरुख खान ने कहा था, हम जीते भी एक बार है, मरते भी एक बार है, और शादी भी
और इतना
एक ही बार करते हैं. What?
nothing.
इतना क्या?
कुछ नहीं.
चलो लेट्स गो फॉर रिसेप्शन. पीपल आर वेटिंग यार.
I forget the time, and I don't know their names, but I still hear you laughing like you do in the middle of a crowded place. Never missed a moment, but if memory slips away, as long as it was me and you, I don't care if the rest of it fades. Tomorrow may get lost, but I'll be there with you. The universe on pause, as long as I'm with you. As long as I'm with you. I got all I want, as long as I'm with you. Love knows how to get crazy, and the sky ain't always blue. If we under the sun or we under the storm, it don't matter 'cause it's me and you. Another cigarette, this time keeps dragging on. Words fail your lips, it's not the same no more. I can read your mind, but I know that something's wrong. What lies behind your eyes? Is that something I should know? So give me a reason, 'cause you know my heart's been screaming. I know all your secrets.
नींद आ रही है अभी भी आपको?
हाँ यार आ तो रही है.
तो सो जाओ ना, अभी टाइम है बहुत. इन स्लीप. Right now it's like 11:20. We're planning to have lunch at McDonald's.
Look at the way your drive suddenly changed. Was this broken?
Broken मतलब क्या चीज़?
This thing.
Actually हो गया ब्रेक because of the bird hitting. बहुत स्पीड में हिट हुई. And वो जब actually parking sensor on किया ना.
You just remove this and throw it away.
हाँ वो parking sensor जब on किया ना टोल पे तब पता चला. And then immediately I stopped, but it was too late. Came such a speed and hit. What we are doing is we are driving from Hyderabad to Mumbai. She's my wife. Getting her back to Mumbai. Excited? We have done 424 kilometers non-stop, not a stop right now because someone from my family wanted to stop. We're also having an Endeavour. So my brother and the rest are in the Endeavour, and half the people have gone by flight. How's been the journey till now?
Sleepy? I was sleeping.
She's been sleeping till now. Like almost all throughout she's been sleeping. And the experience has been good, you know. The road is very nice other than the small bad patch which is there. How excited?
Pretty much.
Oh god, that logo is broken. I feel so bad.
That's what I was saying, it's broken. वही तो बता रही हूँ मैं.
I know, right? I think we'll reach much before ETA because we are on a very good pace this time. And that's the Endeavour. So let's start driving.
Apart from the ones you're keeping, is that what love has do? Always running from that truth. 'Cause I'm feeling like
Here's the irony of the situation. I am not tired at all. The GLS is so comfortable. It's so comfortable. I can't imagine driving so many kilometers non-stop, but almost 530 kilometers done. Not a single break. This is kind of a break. And पहले जो vlog किया था वो break था वो bird को निकालने के लिए. Other than that, no break at all. Super fresh. Lovely. What a brilliant car this Mercedes is. Now we are in Pune, I think. So 1.5 2 hours लग जाएंगे. Fast and fun.
a stranger lying next to you. Right now your love's so cold, and I'm wondering.
Look at you get conscious around the corners.
Yeah, because you know you're so freaked out.
And why are you freaked out?
Not me. I said you are freaked out.
I'm not freaked out at all.
Yes, you are.
Do I look freaked out? Look at me. I'm
Oh
not
yeah,
freaked out.
see, exactly, you are.
I basically wanted to ask you one small question. How did you manage to hit that poor little bird?
I did not hit that bird. You were
What
driving.
is the proof that you did not hit the bird?
I must be having some story. I was driving and this bird just fell.
So what happened now? I'll tell you what happened. So you were driving, so she's trying to overtake. Now there was a bird sanctuary on the left.
Oh.
And इसको मतलब पेशेंस ही नहीं था, तो bird sanctuary में घुसा दिया और वो bird को लगा दिया जिसकी वजह से Mercedes का लोगो टूट गया.
और वो bird खुली पड़ी है ना bird sanctuary में.
वो बेचारी बाहर आई थी टॉयलेट जाने के लिए और आपने उसको मार दिया.
सही.
So sad. थोड़ी
मतलब
तो
bird sanctuary में मैंने घुसा दिया, गेट तोड़ दिया. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ, पर bird मर गई directly.
because it's a very safe car ना. You're an NCAP 5.
Yeah, right.
नहीं but seriously speaking, चिड़िया को मार के क्या मिला आपको? बेचारी उसके छोटे छोटे बच्चे छोटे छोटे.
Where you've gone, so stop treating me like I don't mean a thing to you. That ain't what love is do. That ain't what love is do.
Who is more likely to wake up grumpy? Who is a pickier eater?
That is a lie.
That's true.
Yeah, I can eat anything.
Yeah, he's picky.
अच्छा राजमा किसने नहीं खाया कल?
राजमा-
I had to double eat the राजमा चावल yesterday. Okay.
No, she
I-
said earlier only. That day she told us
I
about
clearly
rajma.
said about rajma
And
poha.
Yeah, she said rajma.
Yeah.
I remember that.
I eat
Yeah,
vada pav
Yashin
also. You don't eat sweets, you don't eat spicy.
Vada pav, you ate chicken vada pav, and all of both of us were farting all through.
I had to bear the brunt.
It was a walima today, and Noreen is super tired. Turn around. Actually, now
It is the Vidya Balan look.
she got so tired in the after all the ceremonies that she removed all her headgear with 50,000 pins in the car itself, and she's like, "Are you going to vlog?" And I'm like, "No, I'm not going to vlog." And you know, she's looking
I
like,
hate you.
"Ami je toma." Turn a bit. A lot of B-roll you guys will see right now, and that is the end of the wedding vlog. If you liked it, make sure to give the thumbs up. Bolo, bolo, bolo. If you say people are more likely to like the video, subscribe to the channel. My sister is looking at us awkwardly. She also has no makeup.
I have makeup.
She's the real Vidya Balan. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Bye-bye.
Like the rain in the spring, we're forever